Today, I'm sharing something very, very interesting, something very flavorful, something very delicious, something very unique. I will advise you watch to the end so that you don't miss any tip. Hello, creative bangers. Let's go into the labor room together. Okay, now some of us used to complain about yeast not proving properly. When you buy a yeast from the market, you need to prove it first, okay? Now to prove your yeast, add it into the bowl, add some sugar and warm water. Stir, cover and set it aside to prove. While we wait for the yeast to prove, let's prepare the vegetables. The list of the vegetables will be on the screen. Prep the veggies as demonstrated. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, like I mentioned earlier, go ahead and prep the vegetables as demonstrated. Now I added habanero pepper or scotch bonnet, whichever one you call it. Please add as much as you can tolerate, especially if you have kids, okay? But trust me, it adds a lot of flavors to this yummy recipe. Okay, back to the yeast, you can see it has become fluffy and you can notice some bubbles on the surface. Once you notice something like this, it means that the yeast is active. Now remember, some yeast can prove more faster than the other. Some it takes them 2 minutes, 3 minutes, while some it might take them up to 5 minutes. Okay. Now, once we are sure of the yeast, moving with the rest of the ingredients, sifting the flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. All right. Sifting the flour removes lumps. Add air, which makes the flour light and fluffy. Okay, now I'm going to move in with the rest of the ingredients. Look at that bowl. It is screaming luxury. Do you love what you are seeing? If you love it, scream luxury at the comment section. Okay, now go ahead and mix everything to combine very well. While we are mixing, I'll be adding extra warm water bit by bit. Remember, we are making use of yeast, so you need warm water in order to activate the yeast more. Shout out to you, Shiki Rat, watching from Ireland, Pink from Tanzania, Priscilla from Ghana, Shemi watching from Zimbabwe, and Opeyemi all the way from Nigeria. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay. All right, after mixing, you can see the texture of the batter. They are not too runny. Please don't make yours to be too runny. Remember, after fermentation, it is going to be more soft, okay? Now, we are going to cover and keep in a warm place to prove. 40 minutes later, voila! It has doubled in size, as you can see on the video. Now I'm going to stir. You can see that the texture has become more soft, just like I mentioned earlier. Okay, now I'm going to stir one more time. It is time to mold and drop. Mold and drop. If you are with me at this moment, type mold and drop. Mold and drop into a deep hot moderate oil. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. You can also hype this video. Please hyping the video will make YouTube to push it more further to those who has not come across my channel. I appreciate you for doing that. After molding and dropping, allow to cook for about 2 minutes. Flip it around from time to time. Fry according to your preference. Or once it becomes golden brown like so, take it out of the heat. Look at those cuties. And we just delivered again without being pregnant. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Oh my word, look at the inside. Very addictive, very, very addictive. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.